Understanding SAS macros for automation. In data analytics and statistical programming, efficiency is key. Automation is vital for repetitive tasks and large projects. SAS, Statistical Analysis System, is a popular data analytics tool. It has a powerful feature called macros. SAS macros are tools that automate repetitive tasks. They let you create reusable code. With macros, you can reduce redundancy, write code once and reuse it multiple times. Macros are composed of two main elements: macro variables, variables that store values, making the code dynamic; macro programs, blocks of code that can be executed conditionally or repeatedly. Components of SAS macros. Macro variables store values that can be referenced throughout your SAS program. There are two types of macro variables: global variables, available throughout the SAS session; local variables, available only within the macro in which they are defined. Best practices for using SAS macros. Use descriptive names. Name your macros and variables meaningfully to improve readability. Avoid overusing macros. Macros are powerful, but overusing them can make your code harder to debug and maintain. Document your code. Use comments to explain your macro's purpose and function. Test macros independently. Test each macro separately to ensure it works as expected. Conclusion. In conclusion, SAS macros are essential. They automate repetitive tasks, reduce code redundancy, and boost productivity. Master macro variables, programs, and advanced techniques like loops.